effect until 4 a.m. Thursday. Timing: blustery northeast winds will continue to increase through this evening and become very windy. The strongest winds will be tonight along the shore from Milwaukee south to the Illinois border. These winds may be potentially damaging. Winds will ease as they back to the north-northwest after 4 a.m. Winds, north to northeast winds of 20 to 30 miles an hour will increase to 30 to 40 miles an hour with gusts from 45 to 60 miles an hour by tonight. Impacts: these very strong winds can cause minor wind damage, including downed tree limbs and power lines. They will make driving difficult or impossible for high-profile vehicles. Loose objects such as trash cans and Halloween decorations will be blown around by the wind. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles an hour or gusts of 58 miles an hour or more can lead to property damage.